Seatbelt by pulling loose end. Your life vest is found under your seat around the waist and push end to buckle. The masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you.
On behalf of Cebu Pacific, I would like to thank you for flying with us, and we hope to be of service to you again in your future flights.
Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.
Hey guys! Welcome back to another video. For today's video, so guys, kasi kanina hindi na ako nakapag-intro, pero Iloilo kami ngayon. Magiging travel vlog ulit tong video na to. 4 days kami dito. Today is Feb 12. So hanggang Feb 15 kami. Actually guys, kanina pa kami nandito, pero pagdating namin dito, nahinga muna kami, natulog muna kami. Later and tomorrow, sa mga susunod na araw, punta tayo sa mga iba't ibang places dito. Haggard na ako ngayon, kasi ayan, kakagising ko lang. Kasi nga, natulog muna kami pagdating namin dito. Ipakita ko sa inyo yung pinag-stayan namin dito. Okay guys, so ito yung pinaka-gate. Ayan. And then, ito yung pinag-stayan namin ngayon. Malawak siya. Ito may pool dito. Pero I think di rin naman namin ito magagamit kasi alis kami. Kaya may mga puno. Sobrang hangin dito guys. Ito, may mga CR lang. Tapos ito, dito kami. Dito kami matutulog. Dito kami natulog actually kanina. Ito sila mami. Tapos dito kami nila ate. So, ayan. Pasok tayo. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Pasok. Dito bed. May isa pang bed dyan namin nilagay. Then TV, aircon, may saksakan dito. Dun din. So, yung mga gamit namin nandyan na. And then dito, ang CR. So, meron dalawang towel. Ayan, yung ilaw. Tapos meron silang heater. And then, basurahan, yung pinaka-toilet. Ayan, sink. Natin yung light. Yan yung itsura ng CR. So, kung makikita nyo guys, yung place dito medyo hindi pa ayos kasi ginagawa pa siya. Itong place kasi na to, sa pinsan ni Tita She to. So, si Tita She, ka-churchmate namin siya and malapit siya sa amin. Yung place na to, inaayos pa siya ngayon. Pero maganda siya actually. Kapag matapos to, I think sobrang ganda din ito. Ayos tayo!
Lặng nhìn anh chờ mong anh mà anh hững hờ. Từng đêm nhớ, từng tin nhắn không ai biết. Em cũng chỉ cần một chút hơi ấm của anh. But that's enough, your item moves, it's over tonight. Mình đã có biết bao buồn vui, đã có lúc môi kèm môi qua anh. You and I.
Kahit nga dun sa 7-Eleven. Dito na kami sa pinag-stayan namin. Mag-aasikaso lang kami. Then, magpapahinga na. So, see you again tomorrow. So, magla-land tour tayo ngayon. Antay namin yung Grab. Kasi nag-book kami ng sasakyan. Diyos, so tikim.
Ayaw mo is puppy?
Sticky icky like some bubblegum. Got in trouble, who we run from? Passing joints under the sunshine. Fighting demons on a level 1. Super soaker, that's a water gun. Like my feelings had to get it done. I don't care what you say. Who are you anyway? I don't care what you think.
Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar for running into you. It's an awful house.
Hi guys, so nandito kami sa Mega World Festive Walk, Iloilo. Bukas kami pupunta sa beach.
Excited kami sa beach. Guimaras.
Sa Guimaras.
Elevated height. So, this house is an architectural museum. The almacén is a Spanish word for
Experience the Doña Ilustrado Edition.
Gazing into my mind, I see you naked. Wasting no time, I'm not playing. Move just right, no delay. Your pussy, I'm gonna be slaying. See me to my heart and say goodbye. Taste me, roll the dice and take a bite. Nothing but trouble. Moonlit sky will give us cover. Don't you hide your true colors.
Hello guys. So, ulit kami sa Festive Walk. dinala yung 360. Nabili si Dave ng, ano ba binibili mo? Ito. Tapos, later, kakain kami. Ang dami.
Ay, pwede po pa picture. Ha?
Napasok yung sasakyan sa Roro.
Tio. Pangalan mo, Tio. Siya mo perform ka.
I don't wanna tell you, but if I did, that would be useful. While you crying in your bedroom, I would do the same too. And I'm calling you crazy, but maybe I'm staying in the right wing. Parts are crazy, I'm staying, 'cause I think you need some help. I can tell by the way that we both fly, you need some help.
Baby! Ano yan? Superman yan. Superman. Nakagano niyo ba? Ang girl!
Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay barn for running into you. It's an awful house, and I wanted to get you out. I'm working on a plan right now to come through. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down, 'cause nothing feels the same without you now. What's the point in dreaming if I lose my voice? The second I get caught by you, I wanted you to know that I'm afraid, but we can make it go away. I hope you hear the things.
instead. I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside. But now I've realized you were what I needed this whole time. I've been around, no one else is gone.
Hi guys! So last day na namin dito sa Iloilo. Ayan. Hindi na ako masyado nakapag-film kasi sobrang sama ng pakiramdam ko. Pupunta na kami sa airport.